Go hard, 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 go hard. Lord, use me, 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 Lord.
I post a couple of these things a week, and so I just picked out from some of my collection some cards I'll be giving away, and all you have to do is subscribe. And each day that I do a drawing, I'll just take all my subscribers, put them through a random drawing, and you know, if you get your name selected, then you get one of these cards, and we'll do a random drawing for what card you'll get also, so that I can't just say, okay, I'm gonna give away this dinky card. You know, this Marty Collins patch card. I mean, a jersey card. Again, these are for free, so you know, there's gonna be haters out there. They're like, oh man, those cards aren't worth nothing. Well, you know, I'm gonna give it away. You know, all I have to do is subscribe. It's a Marty Collins jersey card. Upper Deck Black. I love that product. They're sold out. Most people are sold out already. No big deal. I was kind of slow in buying anyway. This is a 2007 rookie jersey. Nice. It's an Amari Stoudemire exquisite base card. Tony Parker jersey. Anton Jameson jersey. Corey Brewer auto. He's actually playing well for Timberwolves. Got lots of room to improve. And here's one. I like this guy, Baron Davis. He's a Baron Davis collector around here. Great player. Play for a decent team. Not sure if they'll make the playoffs, but hey. This is a printing plate. That is a one-on-one printing plate. I'll include this in the raffle drawing. You know, for you Baron Davis collectors, this is a must for your collection. And another LeBron James. This is a green refractor. And check out the number on that one. Again, it's low number 122 out of 199. This is a nice one. Here's the ones that are they're on video. Monta Ellis. It's a nice jersey there. The Chief. Robert Parrish. John Havlicek. Udi Black. I probably busted 2 cases of these when they came out last year. I busted an Udi Black. What am I saying? Udi Black. I busted another one of those cases last week. Another D Wade. Grade to mint 9. And an MJ. MJ game used court. That's kind of cool. Don't know what I want to do with this yet. But you can see it for yourself. Let's see if I can zoom in. But that's what I'm doing. You can get some of these cards if you just subscribe to Case Breaker. Just go ahead and subscribe and you'll be entered in the drawing. And I'm going to try and do a bunch of free drawings each week along with group breaks. And so this is Case Breaker. Subscribe and we're going to have lots of fun. I'm out.